Hello everyone, we are starting with our exercise 12.2 fifth question. Using section formula, prove that the given 3 points are collinear. Now, let A point be minus 4, 6 and 10. B is 2, 4 and 6 and coordinates of C point are 14, 0 and minus 2. These are the given points. Let P divides line AB in ratio K ratio 1. This is a line AB. This is a point P which divides line AB in K ratio 1. Then using the section formula prove that 3 points are collinear. Now A point is this and B is this and C are this. P, let the coordinate of P are x, y and z. Then P is 2k minus 4 upon k plus 1, 4k plus 6 upon k plus 1, 6k plus 10 upon k plus 1. Then put 2k minus 4 upon k plus 1 is equals to 14. Then it will become 2k minus 4 is equals to 14k plus 14. Then it will become 12k is equals to minus 18 and k is equals to minus 3 by 2. Then put k is equals to minus 3 by 2 in this term, then it will become 4k plus 6 upon k plus 1 is equals to 4 into minus 3 by 2 plus 6 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Then it will become minus 6 plus 6 upon minus 3 plus 2 by 2. Then this will become 0 upon minus 1 by 2. So it will become 0. And 6k plus 10 upon k plus 1 is equals to 6 into minus 3 by 2 plus 10 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Then it will become minus 9 plus 10 upon minus 3 plus 2 upon 2. Then it will become minus plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2. Then it will become minus 2. Therefore, P is the point which divides AB in ratio minus 3 by 2 ratio 1. That means it will become 3 ratio minus 2 and is same as C. So therefore ABC, the points ABC are collinear. Now sixth question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining these points is divided by xy plane. Xy plane means x is equals to 0. Then the equation of yz plane is x is equals to 0. Then let yz plane divides the join of A 4, 8, 10 and B 6, 10 minus 8 at point P in ratio K ratio 1. That means this is a line AB which divides by point P in K ratio 1, then let the coordinates of point P is x, y, z. Then point P is, by using this formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. It will become 6k plus 4 upon k plus 1. Then m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. It will become 10k plus 8 upon k plus 1, and for z it will become minus 8k plus 10 upon k plus 1. Then point P lies on yz plane. That means x is 0. Then 6k plus y plus 4 upon k plus 1 is equals to 0. Then it will become 6k plus 4 is equals to 0. K will become minus 2 by 3. Therefore, yz plane divides AB in ratio K ratio 1. That means minus 2 by 3 ratio 1. It will be equals to 2 ratio minus 3. Therefore, yz plane divides AB externally in ratio 2:3, because this is a m2 and it will be a negative. It will be a negative means it will divides the line AB externally, because externally m2 changes to minus of m2. Seventh question is, the centroid of a triangle is at point 1, 1, 1. If the coordinates of A and B are this, find the coordinates of C. Coordinate of A is 3, minus 5 and 7, and coordinate of B are minus 1, 7, minus 6. Let coordinate of point C be x, y and z. Then 1, 1, 1 is the centroid of a triangle ABC. Formula for the centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. It will be equals to 1, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. Then it will become, it is equals to 1 because the given points of the centroid is 1, 1, 1. Then put the value of x1, x2 and x3. This is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3 and z3. Put these values here, then it will become 3 minus 1 plus 6 by 3 is equals to 1, and minus 5 plus 7 plus y upon 3 is equals to 1. 7 minus 6 plus z upon 3 is equals to 1. Then it will become x plus 2 is equals to 3, y plus 2 is equals to 3 and z plus 1 is equals to 3. Then x become 1, y become 1 and z become 2. This is the point for the coordinates of the point C, 1, 1 and 2. Next 8th question is, find the coordinates of the point where line joining point A and B which crosses xy plane. Xy plane means the equation of xy planes. If it crosses xy plane, then z is equals to 0. Let this be a line AB, and this is a point P which divides the line AB in ratio K ratio 1. And Find the coordinates of the point where the line joining these points crosses the xy plane. Means find this point. Let the coordinate of point P is x, y and z. Coordinate of A is 3, 4, 1 and B is 5, 1, 6 is given. Then point P becomes 5k plus 3 upon k plus 1 by using section formula, and k plus 4 upon k plus 1, 6k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Then for z is equals to 0, it will become 0 because point P lies on xy plane. Means z is equals to 0. So 6k plus 1 upon k plus 1 is equals to 0. Then 6k plus 1 is equals to 0. K becomes minus 1 by 6. Now find these points. This is the point P. Put the value of k in these points, then it will become minus 5 by 6 plus 3 upon minus 1 by 6 plus 1. Minus 1 by 6 plus 4 upon minus 1 by 6 plus 1 and 0. Then it will become 13 by 5, 23 by 5 and 0. This is the coordinates of this point P. Then next question is, if the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with the vertices of point P, Q and R, then find the value of the A, B and C. Now if the origin is the centroid, at origin value of x, y and z is 0. Then origin, coordinates of origin is 0, 0, 0 is the centroid of triangle PQR with vertices P 2a 2 and 6, Q minus 4, 3b minus 10 and R is 8, 14 and 2c. Then by using the centroid formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 is equals to the origin. Then it will become 2a minus 4 plus 8 upon 3 is equals to 0. 2 plus 3b plus 14 upon 3 is equals to 0. And 6 minus 10 plus 2c upon 3 is equals to 0. Then it will become 2a plus 4 is equals to 0. 3b plus 16 is equals to 0. 2c minus 4 is equals to 0. Then it will become 2a is equals to minus 4, 3b is equals to minus 16 and 2c is equals to 4. Then c becomes 2, b becomes minus 16 by 3 and a becomes minus 2. This is the values of the a, b and c.